Okay, so let's make a start of the reaction. So the first thing is to pipette some styrene, 2.9 mils, and this will be measured out in a graduated pipette. So you get the glass pipette, you put the pipette filler on, and you're going to measure out 2.9 mils. So add the styrene to the conical flask. This is a 100 ml conical flask. And then you're going to add 0.3 mils of triethylamine. You'll use a different pipette for this. You'll use a 1 ml glass pipette. So with the 2.9 mils, you measure that out in a 5 ml pipette, I would suggest. And the triethylamine at 0.3 mils, measure that out in a 1 ml glass pipette. Again, we're using the pipette filler. And with the dichloromethane, that is 15 mils. So you might want to measure that out in a measuring cylinder. So maybe a 50 ml measuring cylinder, measure out 15 mils. So you get all those three liquids together in the conical flask, and then move on to the step 2, which is to add a magnetic stirrer bar. I don't know if you've used those before. They're like a little PTFE white plastic magnet. There's a magnet inside there, and when this goes on top of the magnetic stirrer and you adjust the setting, it kind of whizzes around and can mix up your reaction mixture. So put in the magnetic stirrer bar into the flask containing the liquids from step 1. The next step is to place this conical flask with the magnetic stirrer bar into an ice bowl. So it's a plastic bowl which you then put onto the magnetic stirrer. And then you adjust the setting here until the stirrer bar moves around until you get a good vortexing of the liquid to ensure good mixing. So the aim is to get a good vortex in the liquid to ensure the best possible mixing. If you just put the stirrer bar in and just whack up the setting to maximum, what happens is you get turbulent flow. The magnetic stirrer bar kind of dances around. It can't mix the reaction mixture properly. So you have to, set, if that happens, set the stirrer back down to 0, slowly increase it until you see it start moving around, and then you're getting this kind of vortex, like a little whirlwind. So you're getting really good mixing of the mixture.